Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to set up appointment slots on your VCCS calendar. So first you want to log into your VCCS account and navigate to the calendar. Yours will probably be blank. Mine, you can see, has my office hours slots here. If I were getting started though, I would go ahead and pick the day and the time where I wanted my office hours to start and click to start a new event. And you can title it anything you want. I tend to just put office hours. Maybe also put your room number right in the top because that's something students tend to need and often forget. And then rather than making it an event, you'll click appointment slots. And then you can choose the total amount of time that you want to be available to students. So I'm going to pick, say, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., 2:50 p.m. here. And then I can change the duration of each appointment. If I would prefer to have students make a series of really short appointments, I can change it, to 10 minutes. Or if I want to have appointments with some cushion time, I might pick 30 minutes. Okay? If I wanted this to be the same throughout the whole semester, then by coming to the More Options page, I can make it something that repeats every week on Thursday. Or I can do it with a custom repeat. So say I want to be in the office at the same times on Tuesday and Thursday, but I only want it to be for this semester. So I would back that up and say I'm only in my office through the middle of December. But I'm here on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This is when I'm available to students to make appointments. I would click Done and then Save. And then now I have that event showing up here the first day I picked it. And then it'll show up and it'll duplicate over my current office appointments for all the weeks in the semester. Once you have your appointments set up, you need to give your students the link to your appointment calendar. And so if you click on the event, it says go to appointment page for this calendar. And when you click there, it opens up a page that looks like this. So this is exactly what the students would see. So let's skip ahead to, here's the week that we were working on. And you can see where the office hours appointments are that I've added. And the student would see this and they would pick their time and click on it, and then they can book their appointment. So I typically tell students to delete the what and then put in their name, and then maybe give me some information about what they would like to discuss with me. This is particularly useful for advisees, but sometimes also students in my classes go ahead and fill that in, but they don't have to. And when they click Save, it shows up on their student calendar, and it also shows up on my calendar. So if I were to come back to my calendar page, now we can see floating right here on top of my office hours is the event that the student has created. And it has me, and it has me again, but it would be the student, and all the information. And you can turn it into a phone meeting or a Hangouts meeting as well. And then from here, if you needed to change it or delete it or email the student who made the appointment, then you can do that as well. Otherwise, the appointment's just there, and it prevents other students from making an appointment at the same time. And it also will show up wherever you have your Google Calendar if you use Google Calendar for other things. So if you have that set up as a calendar on your phone, right, then the appointment will show up on the phone as well. I think that's all you should need to know to be able to get started with using the appointment function, but I'm happy to answer any questions if you have any. Thanks.